Ready to unleash your imagination and conjure up stunning visuals with the power of AI? Today, we're jumping into AI Flux, a fantastic AI image generator, and I'm going to show you how to create incredible artwork in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the AI Flux website. You'll find a clean and intuitive interface ready for your creative commands. The magic starts with the prompt bar. This is where you tell the AI what you want to see. Be as descriptive as possible. The more detail you give it, the better the results. For example, let's try a majestic lion wearing a crown, digital art. Next, let's refine the style of our image. AI Flux offers a range of styles to choose from photorealistic and anime to painting and many more. Pick the one that best suits your vision. Now tweak the image generation options here. You can select your preferred aspect ratio, the number of images you want to generate at once, and even the image quality. Selecting high quality may take longer to generate an image. Time to make some images. Click the Generate button and let AI Flux work its magic. The tool will start its job. Voila! Behold your creation. If you're not completely satisfied, you can generate variations of the image that are close to the original. Once you are happy with the AI-generated image, you can save it and start sharing your amazing artwork. That's all there is to it. With AI Flux, the possibilities are truly endless. Now, it's your turn to unleash your inner artist and see what incredible images you can conjure up with AI Flux. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials and creative inspiration.